In today's video, we are going to cover how to create a test customer with multiple payment methods in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Before creating anything, look for the test mode switch and make sure it is turned on. This matters because you want the customer and payment methods to exist in your test environment, not in live data. If the switch is off, turn it on first, then continue. Once test mode is enabled, go to the Customer section in the dashboard. From there, click Create Customer. Stripe will open the customer form where you can enter the customer details you want to use for testing. Fill in the available fields as needed for your test setup, then save the customer to create the profile. After the customer has been created, return to the customer's page if needed and select that test customer from the list. This opens the customer profile where you can manage billing details, activity, and save payment methods for that specific record. Inside the customer profile, scroll down until you reach the payment method section. This is the area where Stripe stores the payment options attached to that customer. If you are working with a new test customer, this section may be empty at first. To add the first payment method, click the plus button in the payment method section. Stripe will show the available options you can attach, such as add card or add a bank transfer account. Choose the payment method you want to use for the first entry. Next, enter the test payment details for the option you selected. Use test information only since you are working in test mode. After entering the required fields, save the payment method. Stripe will attach it to the customer, and you should see it appear in the payment method section of the profile. With the first method saved, repeat the same process to add another one. Click the plus button again, select the next payment method type you want to attach, and enter the corresponding test payment details. Then save that payment method as well. You can use a different type from the first one or another option of the same type, depending on what you want to test in the customer record. When both payment methods have been added, stay on the customer profile and check the payment methods section carefully. Confirm that each method you saved is listed there. This final check helps you verify that the customer now has multiple payment methods attached and ready for use in your Stripe test environment. Your Stripe test customer now has multiple payment methods listed under the payment methods section.